This project is Zigbee based weather monitoring system using Arduino. Here hardware connections are Arduino and its daughter board along with the power supply, 16:2 LCD display. Here we have two Zigbee base modules. One is a transmitter connected to Arduino UART port and the second one is receiver connected to PC. Here rain sensor and buzzer connected to Arduino digital pins. DHT11 temperature and humidity sensor, air quality sensor and BMP 280 atmospheric pressure sensor connected to Arduino analog and digital pins respectively. We can see all the sensors data in serial software. Here we are using Arduino IDE serial software. Open it. We have to open the tools and select the port. We have to select the serial port. Again we have to open the tools, select the serial monitor. Now power on this. Here based on altitude, atmospheric pressure value will be changed. By showing humidifier, then humidity value will be changed. If rain sensor activated, then buzzer will be on.